What's up, guys? Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at another case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. This one's by Spigen. It's the rugged armor. I've been using this case on my Galaxy S8 Plus. I've had it for my iPhone XR. I would have used it for my OnePlus 6T, but Spigen doesn't seem to want to make this case for that phone, so I couldn't make it on there. The reason I like this case so much because it's slim, but it still gives you some protection for your phone. And you definitely want a case for this phone because it's very expensive, it's very pretty, and you want to make sure you keep it that way. So here is the Spigen Rugged Armor case. So here it is. It's kind of like a rubbery material. It's very flexible. It's very smooth on the back. Here it has the carbon fiber inserts. Looks really nice. That rubbery, smooth texture. You got your cutout for your top mic. Your power button. That is not textured. It's got a little texture on the side to give you some grip when you're holding your hand. There is the volume button, which is separated slightly, and your Bixby button. And the cut-ups for the bottom. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the phone. So my phone does have the factory screen protector that came with it. I have not taken it off yet. So you can see the little cutout there. It does give you a little raised edge at the bottom and the top. So in case you want to put your phone down on your desk or something, you don't have to worry about it actually touching the screen. And the edge of the case looks like it comes right up to just a little below the actual screen. But as you can see, it doesn't really add any thickness to the phone whatsoever. And that's why I really like this case. It gives you some protection, especially on the sides here, but it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. As you can see, the back here, it still gives you that little ring of color, which is so nice with the black. Very cool. Buttons are clicky. Very nice. Volume, up and down. Very easy to push. Bixby. I still don't understand why Samsung put the volume button all the way at the top there like that. But yeah, that looks pretty nice. Like I said, I have used this case on a couple of my other phones and I absolutely love it. So this is why I'm recommending it to you guys. If you want to keep, some protection without putting a lot of bulk on your phone. So as you can see here is my Galaxy S8 Plus with the Spigen Rugged Armor case on it. It's got a little bit of wear on the back here, as you can see, but it basically looks the same. It's got the carbon fiber inserts. Looks really nice. Power button, volume rocker, Bixby button. As you can see, I didn't have a screen protector on this phone, and I got some slight scratches kind of up at the top here. So you're definitely going to want to watch that video I'm going to make with all the different screen protectors for the Galaxy S10 Plus. So that's the rugged armor case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed already, you're going to want to make sure that you do and hit that notification bell because I'm going to be doing a review video on a whole bunch of different screen protectors for this phone. Some glass, some the regular plastic film material, just to kind of give you a wide variety. We're going to see which ones work with the screen protector and which ones not, and which ones I like the best. So make sure you subscribe for that. So that's it for the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.